Award for long-standing accomplishments in vision research. I'm going to invite the CEO of Cyagen to join us here, please.
First of all, it's a great honor to be able to stand here. Thank you, Dr. Luca. Thank you for the organizers of the second symposium on eye inflammation and infection. I want to start with a story. I want to cite this story most of you already know. It's about decades of research lead to very effective treatment. So in the 70s, correct me if I'm wrong, you guys are the expert. In the 70s, Harvard researchers started to unravel the mechanism of angiogenesis. And that led to, in the 80s, scientists in Genentech started to clone and validate the gene VEGF. And from there, 20 years of research led to the antibody drug Avesta and then Lucentis for wet AMD, which is being used until today. About 10 years ago, my father was diagnosed with wet AMD and he was put on Lucentis for one injection every 4 to 6 weeks. And so all the way for 8 years up to 2 years ago when he passed, his vision was kept perfect. So this has made a very good impact on me personally, because this treatment has kept my father's eye in perfect condition for 8 years until the last minute of his life. This has inspired me to put more emphasis on ophthalmology. So before he died, I told my father, I said, now Cyagen is also working on a new therapy. It will helping the drug discovery companies with a virus which can bring the gene, the therapeutic gene, into the eye. So with that, probably with one injection, the problem is fixed for good. And he was super happy because, every month, injection every month is a pretty big burden, right? So, this is an inspiration for me, for Cyagen, to continue to work in this field. And because we think this is going to lead to something which is good for the patients. So I'm very happy today to be here. I think to be able to stand here to present this award representing Cyagen is also a big acknowledgement of our work in the field of ophthalmology. Thank you very much.
Cyagen help you discover life.